Hello everyone, it's Chloe here from the Chloe Bruce Academy. Welcome. So today's video we're going to focus on a stretch and sculpt routine. It's a brilliant stretch and workout that you can do every single morning. It will leave your body feeling fresh to start the day. You'll feel longer, you'll feel more flexible and more mobile. So grab yourself a mat if you have one, or find a comfortable space on the floor. Grab a drink of water and let's get ready for this nice morning stretch and sculpt yoga flow. So we're going to start in child's pose. So bring your knees wide of the mat, okay? Feet touching at the back. And then we're just going to walk our hands forward, getting a nice straight back and real good stretch here. Keeping the chest nice and low. And remember to breathe. Now from here, you're going to lift up, round the back, and we're going to come into our tabletop position. So put your hands underneath your shoulders, knees underneath your hips, and we're just going to hold here for 2 seconds. And then on your next inhale, you're going to look up, arch the back, so get a nice dip in your back. And then exhale, you're going to round your back and come down into our cat pose, okay? And we're going to do about 6 of these. Inhale up, exhale down. Two more. Last one. Good. From here, you're going to walk your hands as far forward as you can, leaving your hips stacked over your knees. And you're going to try and get a nice arch here through your shoulders and your back, okay? Good, and stay here. Remember to breathe. Then from there, you're going to round the back again, coming onto your elbows. And here, just look forward, straight ahead of you. And we're going to do that 2 more times. So come up, straighten those arms. And forward. Bend at the elbows. And then take that dip into that slight back bend. Gaze nice and forward. Try not to look up or down, just straight ahead of you. And from there, you're going to just come back up, walk your hands back into that tabletop position. Good, now from your tabletop, what you're going to do is extend one leg out the back and then the opposite arm out straight, okay? And we're going to come in for 1, out for 2, and then round the side for 3, back for 4, okay? And we're going to do that 2 times. So let's go. Good, place the front arm down, tuck the toes under at the back, lift up into your 3-legged dog. From there, we're going to come forward with that leg and then back out, forward with that leg and then back out. And then we're going to come round, back, round, back, and then in. Repeat that again. Good. Now place that back leg on the floor, come forward into your high plank, drop down, tuck the toes under, and then come up into your upward facing dog. Take a few breaths here. And then come back into child's pose. And we're going to repeat that on the opposite side. So come back to your tabletop. From here, the opposite hand and leg this time. So my left leg's going to go back, right arm forward, and we're going to come in, out, round, back. Okay, 2 more times. Good. Leaving the leg up, place that hand on the floor, tuck those toes under, and then pop up. We're going to come forward. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Round the side, back, round the side, back. From there, place that leg down, come forward into your high plank, lower down slowly into your upward dog, and deep breaths here. And go back into child's pose for 4 breaths. Good, and then from your child's pose, you're going to lean up into your tabletop, come down onto your elbows, clasp your hands together, and then you're just going to pop up onto your toes to here, and then really push back. Try and open it up through the shoulders as much as you can. If you need to bend the legs, you can do. And we're going to come from there to plank on your forearms, okay? And we're going to do this 4 times. Let's go. Now we're going to do this 4 times. Hand, hand, elbow, elbow. Very good. Now push up, bring that back leg up, drive it through in between your hands, and you're going to push up into an extended lunge. Good. Then from there, place both hands to the inside of your front leg, and you're just going to push up and transfer yourself round to the front. Okay, so we're going to go into a wide-legged forward fold. From here, you want to try and get your hands in between your legs on the same line. Okay, so it's here, and we're going to fold forward. If you need to bend your legs slightly, you can, okay? If not, keep those legs nice and straight and just lean, aiming to get your head onto the floor. If this is enough for you, you can stay here, but you can try and grab your ankles with both hands. Good. And we're going to walk round to one side, pull down, 2 breaths, and the other side. Good. Leaving your hands where they are on this side, we're going to rotate our feet over, coming into that extended lunge, and I'm going to repeat everything in reverse on the opposite side. So first off, we're just going to push up into that high lunge, and then arms come down either side of your front leg this time. Take that front leg to the back. Okay, and here is where we do our forearm, forearm, hand, hand. 4 of these. Let's go. Very good. Then come onto your forearms and tip your hips back through your shoulders and then into your plank. 4 of these. And then relax onto your knees and come back into your child's pose. Nearly done, guys. A few more stretches before we wrap up. So come back onto all 4s here. Then lift the back arm up. Get a little twist through the upper body. Then you're going to thread that arm through the front hand and the legs at the back, and then just try and turn over as much as you can by extending that front arm. And then come back up. I'm going to repeat that on the opposite side. So opposite hand comes up, get that twist through the body, thread that arm through, and then just try and straighten up by straightening that front arm. Good, and come back up. Now we're going to come up, push back up, bring the back leg through, and we're going to come through to our box splits, okay? So here, just open up as wide as you can, okay? You can come up to slide down if need be, and we're going to hold it here for 1 minute just to finish up. So it's your choice whether you stay here, whether you come down to either side, or whether you pull forward, okay? Entirely up to you, but we're gonna hold this for 1 minute. Let's go. Let's do another 10 seconds. Very well done, guys. Bring your legs in and release. Good. Very well done. How did you find that? I hope you enjoyed that session. It's a lot harder than you think, but it's really nice morning routine that you could do most mornings, okay? It's not really too hard on your muscles to stretch them or strengthen them, but it's a really nice flow for you to do with a good dynamic between stretching and strengthening your muscles. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care. Bye.